She's stuck in that tree.
Harry, where are you?
And that is definitely a lion.
Poor Linda. Her wing does look hurt.
I have to save her.
Harry, wait! That lion looks hungry. You won't be able to help her if you get hurt too.
Sam's right. If we move into the open, that lion will spot us right away. We need a plan to get rid of him before we can help Linda.
Let's think. What can scare away a full-grown lion?
Oh, I know this. It was in the clay creature guide. The answer is nothing. Lions aren't scared of any other animals.
Oh, thanks, Cubby.
She's right. Lions aren't scared of anything, except maybe a bigger lion.
Whiskers, that's it. We'll use Harry.
Huh? But Harry's not a big lion.
No, but he can sound like one. Here's what we'll do. One of us will use the hoverboard to lure the lion this way.
I can handle that part.
Then Harry will roar into my megaphone.
But I don't know how to use that thing.
Don't worry, I'll work the megaphone for you. It'll be so loud, the lion will think it's a bigger lion and run away. Then it will be safe to rescue Linda.
I love this plan. What should I do?
Cubby, your job is to be the lookout and keep an eye out for danger.
It'll be my honor to carry out the assignment. Let's do this!
Kit, Cubby, are you in position?
Yep. Yep.
Yummy.
Hey, Mr. Lion! You hungry?
You betcha.
Okay, Sam. The lion's on my tail. We're headed your way.
We'll be ready for you.
You'll have to be faster than that.
Kid, look out!
Oh, dear.
Hey, lion! Over here!
Thanks, Cubby.
Clay rule #1! Never leave your fellow agents hanging!
Sam, change of plan.
Cubby's luring the lion towards you.
Cubby? Nice hoverboarding, Cubby.
I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Just lure the lion a bit closer to us.
It's go time.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Okay, Harry. Now!
That lion sounds pretty big. I'm out of here. Linda!
Harry! Oh, I knew you'd save me.
Aww.
There.
Much better.
See you around, agents.
Thanks for everything.
Bye-bye.